Well, I just got this box of books in the mail, rare books. I don't have a clue as to what's in the box. So we're going to discover together what books. So this you can call an unknown rare book unboxing. Oh, interesting. So, a lot of stuff here. This looks like an Alice in Wonderland.
First edition?
Not quite first. 1872, Alice in Wonderland. So that's book number 1. What is this? Historical Sketchbook and Guide to New Orleans. That's interesting. You don't see a lot of those. And Madeline.
How many have you done?
I have never done a Madeline before.
Really?
So this is the first time. That's cool. It's probably a first edition.
Gosh, it's cute. What's wrong with it?
It needs a spine, apparently.
Oh.
Got a big one here. What is this? The Soldier's Reform by Robert Burns. Or New Soldier's Return. So, that's nice. What is this? This is 1857. Not very old. We might run into a really old one here. Alfred Tennyson. Got a bunch of this kind of books in here. What is this? Oh, it's a Doré. Doré illustrations here. To Tennyson's Elaine. So we'll patch that up.
Here's another one.
Yep, another something like that. This is another Doré illustration. Tennyson. Enid. So, patch that guy up. And then what else have we got?
Got a lot in this one.
Okay, here we go. Some of these might be fairly old. So far, I haven't gotten any old ones yet. Oh, this one looks old. This is a Milton. That's pretty. And what's the year on this? I'm going to say that's 1711. 1711 Milton here. So that's cute. Nice little Cambridge panel binding. Yeah, look how sloppy that is. Yeah.
It's tooling.
All right, this one's a little set. Huh. What are they? So, oh, Don Quixote. That's cool.
What language?
In English.
It's in English?
Yeah. That's cool. Late 1700s, probably.
Mm-hmm.
What else we got? What is this? Checkbook of the Bank of Faith. Spurgeon. Oh, this is right? Yeah, Spurgeon. He's popular.
What is it?
It's devotional work. What's this? Looks interesting. What is that? Demonology and Witchcraft. I've done this book before. Not this
Your life's
particular
never
book.
been the same.
Yeah, right. It's been bad since then. No, I did another copy of this. It was cloth hardcover, I think. That's cool.
Not
this
that
is
old though.
No, it's not really old. It's
That tooling on the front is neat.
yeah, isn't that cool? What is this? This is 1831. Yeah, so it's a youngin. So put that next to the holy book there. Maybe it'll rub off on it. What is this? Strange Case of Jekyll and Hyde. I don't know if I've ever done one of these before. 1888, probably first edition. Possibly, I don't know. So,
What's wrong with it?
well, that's what's wrong with it.
Oh, okay. It's hard to tell.
Yeah. Now what's this? Come on, let's get something that's actually old. What is this? This looks somewhat old. 1663. We still haven't gotten any from the 1500s today. History of the Turks.
What is that in Turkish?
No, it's in English. But needs a new spine altogether.
Oh man.
So that's what we'll do. Everything from Madeline to History of the Turks.
And witchcraft.
Yeah, Madeline and demonology. Can be a little of everything. Now, what in the world is this? This looks interesting.
What is it?
It's an antiphonal.
What is that?
It's a book of,
Oh, okay.
of Gregorian chant.
Is it old?
Well, yeah, it's kind of old. 1770.
Can I see the spine?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's trashed.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on. That must have been
The
look at that
ribbons?
leather ribbons.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, all these things are trash because they're used all the time. These antiphonals. This is kind of cool. There's a patch. Look at that. Somebody did this kind of crude patch on it once upon a time. So that's that. These are all the books that just came.